Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, to get started, we'll need a cable for this, so you want to plug it into your computer, and then once you get that, simply plug it into your phone as well. And from here, that doesn't matter. From here, you want to pull down the notification panel and select the power off key and select power off. And when the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up. So volume up here and power. Basically, you're gonna hold both of them. This will take us to the recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. Again, let's select factory data reset, power key confirms that, and you should see data wipe complete at the bottom, and then reboot system now should be selected by default as it is for me right here. So press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot. Now, while the device is booting back up, it will take it a little bit longer to actually boot fully up, but once it has, we will then be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And there we go, as you can see now the reset is finished. So let me quickly put in the pin for the SIM card, and there is the setup screen. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.